Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about how to fix iMessage not working on iPhone. iMessage is beloved by most iPhone users thanks to its end-to-end encrypted messaging service online along with a series of exciting features. But as powerful as it can be, iMessage doesn't always work like it should. For example, sending an iMessage but it fails showing a red information icon or saying not delivered. Sometimes, the iMessage is sent as an SMS or RCS message, where the blue speech bubbles turn green. If iPhone iMessage is not working properly for you, check out possible factors and approaches in this video so you can stay in touch with people through messages again. Why is your iPhone iMessage not working? To use iMessage, the basic requirements include internet connection, active Apple ID and phone number, iMessage set up correctly and a device that supports iMessage. When iMessage stops working on iPhone, it could run into issues like poor network, misconfigured iMessage settings, malfunctioning Messages app, and outdated operating system. Besides, iMessage problems could also happen after changing SIM or when the official server is down. Now check the step-by-step guide of how to fix iPhone iMessage not working. They work for all iPhone models including the latest iPhone 17 series. Work your way down until iMessage works normally on your device again. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Step 1. Reopen Messages app and enable iMessage. Let's start with closing the Message app then reopening it. This can clear away the potential temporary app glitches causing iMessage not to work. Next, make sure you've turned on iMessage. This feature might be disabled after an update or reset without acknowledging you. It can be easily done on your device and here's how. Go to the Settings app. Scroll all the down to Tap Apps, then choose Messages. Scroll down a little bit to locate the iMessage toggle. If it's off, tap it to turn it on. If it's on, disable the option first. A few seconds later, tap it to enable iMessage. It might take around a minute to be activated. Then, open the Messages app and send an iMessage to see if it's delivered in a blue bubble. Step 2. Turn on Wi-Fi or cellular data. iMessage works best over Wi-Fi, but will also work over your iPhone's cellular connection. If there is no network or the connection is poor, iMessage will not work on iPhone and may get stuck in sending or send as green SMS message. So, either Wi-Fi or cellular data. Ensure at least one is enabled and working. Here's how. Open the Control Center. Locate the Wi-Fi icon or the cellular data icon and turn on one of them. To test if the internet connection works, open a web page to see if it can load properly. To avoid the network getting stuck, put your iPhone in airplane mode for a few seconds then disable it to refresh the network. After that, send an iMessage and it should be working now. Step 3. Things to check after changing SIM. Have you recently changed the phone carrier or set up a new eSIM? If so, it's necessary to manually activate iMessage and here's how. First of all, go to the Cellular section in Settings. If there are two SIM cards with one same phone number, remove the physical SIM or delete eSIM. Secondly, open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap Apps and tap on Messages. Scroll down to find and select Send and Receive. From there, choose your new phone number to activate iMessage. If you find a spinning gear appears next to your phone number after enabling iMessage, it means it's verifying. It might take a while to complete, so just wait patiently. Thirdly, still in Settings, tap Apps and tap on FaceTime. Under the sector saying you can be reached by FaceTime, make sure the new phone number is ticked. Now, iMessage should be activated correctly and test if it can work now. If still no avail, it seems like that your iPhone is failing to activate iMessage. Here are a few more troubleshooting steps. 1. Try to sign out of iCloud. Then sign back in with the same Apple ID to refresh the identity. 2. Try to activate your iMessage or FaceTime account online using the link in the description below. Step 4. Make sure iMessage service is operating normally. Visit the official system status support page. You can copy and paste the link in the description below to move forward. Then, locate the iMessage service. If it's in normal operating status, there will be a green available icon next to it. Step 5. Know that non-Apple devices don't support iMessage. It should be mentioned that iMessage only works between devices running iOS, iPadOS or macOS. For instance, iMessage is not working with non-iPhone users like Android. Whether the person you're texting is available for iMessage can be quickly distinguished by the wordings in the message input field. If it says iMessage, you're communicating with an Apple user. Specifically, if you find iMessage is not working for one person on an iPhone, it's likely that the recipient has disabled iMessage, doesn't have internet access, or blocked your phone number. Step 6. Go restart your iPhone. Turning off your iPhone and on also helps reactivate iMessage to resolve potential problems. You can try this if iMessage is not working on your iPhone due to waiting for activation alert or your phone number isn't listed at the send and receive part. This is helpful to trigger the company to verify your identity. Here's how. Press both the volume up key and power key and hold them until the power off slider appears. If you're using an iPhone 8 or older models, press and hold the power key to trigger the turn off slider. Drag the slider to power down the device. Then, long press the power key until the phone screen pops up an Apple logo. After your iPhone boots up, take a look if iMessage goes back to working order now. Step 7. Keep time and date settings correct. Activating iMessage to make it work requires correct time zone settings. To take a look, open the Settings app, tap on General, find and select Date and Time. In the next page, toggle on the Set Automatically option. If it's already on, switch it off for a while, then enable it. See if you manage to get iMessage working again on your iPhone. Step 8. Check iPhone carrier settings update. If you find the message comes from your email address instead of a phone number, there might be something wrong with the carrier settings. To solve it, a quick method is to check if there is any carrier update. Here's how. Open iPhone Settings app and tap General. In the next page, tap on About. If a dialog box pops up prompting you to update a few seconds later, just tap it and follow the on-screen instructions to install the update. Remember to test iMessage's function after that. Step 9. Install the latest iPhone OS version. The iMessage activation and delivery requires compatible iOS to function. If the operating system is too old or comes with bugs, iMessage won't work on iPhone. To handle such iMessage failures, attempt to upgrade the iOS. Here's how. First, connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi and charge it to at least 80%. Then, navigate to the Settings app and tap General. Choose Software Update. If you get a page displaying the details of the new iOS, tap Download and Install to go on. New system firmware can be large and it may take some time to download and install it. Wait patiently and remember to test if you can deliver iMessage text in blue bubbles successfully. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix an iPhone iMessages that doesn't work. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting iMessage back working again. If you did, please consider liking and buying this video a super thanks. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more tech-related content. Until next time.